Y'all already notified the Bride VTV. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, you feel me? Y'all also subscribe to all my YouTube channels, link in bio for different type of content. But other than that, we're going to get straight into the video. August 7, 2023 at 9:45 a.m. They're on the highway near West Bowles Avenue. Ooh, that boy came through floating. He came through hanging out on the sport bike. He got to be on the 1000. He made me want to get on the sport bike right now. But look, it look like they got that helicopter on it though, you know what I'm saying? At 120 miles per hour, hanging out. And like I always say, bro, once that helicopter on you, bro, you really got to know what you're doing, bro. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people say they should go by the airport to get away from the helicopter. Not saying I'm trying to teach nobody how to flee and lose from the police, you feel me, on a motorcycle, but I'm just saying what I heard, y'all, you feel me? But yeah, man, once that helicopter get on you, boy, it'd be a mission, boy, to get that helicopter off you. What y'all say? Probably like a 40% chance you'll get away from the helicopter? Y'all leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, man, he weaving in and out of traffic, you know what I'm saying? Hanging out the great way. But he just don't know he got that aircraft camera on him. Ooh, that boy like he on a race bike too. Like he on the real deal. And like he waving. It's like he know he already know he got away. And it's like the scary thing about that helicopter, even the airplane, bro. It don't matter how fast you going, bro. You could be going 200 miles per hour, bro. You feel me, on the highway, thinking you getting somewhere, but the whole time you're not getting nowhere to the helicopter because the helicopter just zooming in, just watching you. You feel me? That's the hurtful part. Now I wonder, is he gonna get away in this situation? What's gonna be the results, the ending results in this? You feel me? But he will standing? What he doing? Look like he was just in the air. Bro, it's like everywhere he go, the helicopter go. And now it look like he cruising now, like he not really, he not too desperate anymore. See, this the point to where he think he done got away, because he don't see no road patrol around him, you feel me? He don't see no police cars. He think he in a clear zone. He just cruising now. But he don't know that helicopter like 2,000 feet above, still watching, you feel me? That's that hurtful part. I'm telling y'all, that's that hurt, boy. Especially when you get to the highs and put the bike up and don't even know the police on their way right around the corner. Look, bro, then slowed down. He like, yeah, boy, I'm good now. Bro, that's that hurt, boy. That's that hurt. Dang, that's that hurt, man. He doing exactly what they want him to do, too. The thing is over. Oh yeah, he did lift it up. Okay. That's that victory, Willie. You feel me? Thinking you done got away. That boy just did a victory. Oh, Lord. Yeah, we got to see, man. We got to see how this ends, man. Because the helicopter's still on his trail. He just don't know. Arriving at his employer's business. So this man then ran from the police going to work. See, now he didn't play. See, now that he didn't park, now they finna blitz him, y'all. We finna, I already know exactly what's finna happen. I already know what's finna happen, bro. This man then went to work after he ran from the police, bro. A troop inside the aircraft from Colorado. Update, the troopers on the ground. 15 minutes later, the proof. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Look.
For the bike, tap it in off of there.
He don't even know what's gonna happen either.
And
this man then clocked in and finna get locked up clocking in on his motorcycle, bro. He done played, boy. So he finna lose his job and get locked up after fleeing and losing.
That's gonna be that bike right.
Look, the bike right there. Ain't gonna park the bike in front, wide open. So he working like a mechanic shop or something like that. Now they finna blitz this man, boy. I know his heart finna drop.
I see the party you're in contact with at the back of the store.
Bro, they pulling up back to back. D. Trooper 2, body worn camera. He probably up under the hood, fixing the motor or something. He didn't play though, boy.
Hey, stop right there.
Uh-oh.
Come here. Denver, 47, I'm in contact with one.
Put in my pocket.
Stay right there.
Put in my phone in my pocket.
Just keep your phone right there.
Okay.
What's going on?
Just coming to
You
work.
saw me, you started to walk away. Why do you think we're here?
I know why you're here.
Why are we here?
Because I ran this morning.
Okay. Go ahead.
And then told on himself.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Oh, man.
Get your hands
Why
behind
do
your
people
back.
tell on themselves?
Palms together. Interlace your fingers.
Bruh. The police didn't even know he was the one that ran. He just told the police. Oh, because I ran. Soon as he said it, y'all see he handcuffed him. He didn't even know that was him who ran, bro. That could have been anybody on the bike. Anybody. And it's like he had a helmet on and everything, so he couldn't tell that was him who ran. He just sat there and told on himself. Booked for fleeing and looting, playing. He played, boy. Look, even he done locked the handcuffs on him. No, he going in.
Okay, let's go this way. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Then sat there and played, man, and then went on a high-speed chase going to work. And clocked in. I would have told my job, boy, I can't make it today. I can't make it in today. I'm sorry. I can't make it today. I got a cold or something.
This way.
Well, that look real bad when you get locked up inside work, bro.
Right here. How old are you?
20.
What's your name? Last name?
Yes, sir.
Just keep your hands where they're at. Denver, R47. Date of birth? What's your date of birth?
How are we talking?
Yeah.
Are you good to lift 36?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty much over with now, bro. Like,
Anything else on your person? Okay, back here.
look, making the back seat nice
Go
and
ahead and
comfortable
take a
for him. Seat belt, everything. It's over with, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's pretty much over with, y'all. That's pretty much it right there, bro. You know what I'm saying? So he got charged with vehicular eluding, reckless driving, speeding 40 miles per hour over, operating a motorcycle without endorsement, operated permit use unregistered vehicle. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think on this situation. You feel me? Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, subscribe to all my YouTube channels for different type of content. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video.